Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tamburu Studio. So today's episode we're going to watch how to do a realistic shrub. So let's begin. For doing a shrub, first we need a brush. This is an old waste brush. Then we need acrylic colors. I have selected three colors: Viridian hue, sap green and lemon yellow. Now you will need a bowl. Here I am adding sap green. I am adding some yellow to get a lighter shade. You can add a bit of green to get a darker shade. Now dip the brush in water. Mix the paint using the brush. See that the paint gets applied all over the brush. Now you will have something that looks like this. Set it aside to dry. You can also use a hair dryer for drying it faster. Once it's dry, you can cut it. You can use scissors or blade to do that. I have done multiple shades of green. From this to that. Now take a plastic sheet and place it top of a board. Take some Fevicol. You can use a SH Fevicol as it dries faster. Apply some Fevicol over it. Take the colored brush hair and you can shape it if required. Cut it according to the size that you will need. Take it carefully and place it over the Fevicol. Now you can adjust its shape by using your hand or otherwise a tweezer. Set it aside to dry. Here I am showing you how to prepare a base before placing the shrubs. First you will have to paint the base green. This is to avoid the white patches when you apply the green powder. Once it's dry, apply a layer of Fevicol. Now take some grass powder and sprinkle over it. In my next tutorial, I will be showing you easy ways to make this grass powder. Leave it to dry. Now back to shrubs. You can apply any shades if you feel it's required. Here I am applying shades of yellow and also red. This is to make it look more realistic. Once it's dry, you can easily remove it from the plastic sheet. I am going to place the shrub in these areas. I am applying a drop of Fevicol. I take the shrubs using a tweezer and I place it over the Fevicol. Here the shrubs are ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe